Assalamu alaikum everyone. It's me Imran Hussain. My ID last four digit is 1892. Welcome our presentation. Our presentation topic is industry visit. Now I will discuss our industry visit experience. Firstly, I will discuss on topic abstract. Now I will represent our team paper title Real World Ethical Demands in Software Industry, a case study in WDEVs. This paper looks at a real-life ethical problems faced by a company, WDEVs, and explain how these issues can be understood using the popular ethics thesis, unutilized and virtual ethics. We also use social media to raise public answering about this issue. And the goal is to show how ethics can be used to make better decisions in the software industry. Now, introduction. In today's world, software and technology are used everywhere. So it's very important for software professionals to think about right or wrong while doing their work. This stream paper was done as part of our SPIC course. We visit a real software company called WDEVs. There we see how they work and the ethical challenges they face. We speak and discuss with their different team members and ask questions and try to understand their real experience. Then we use to ethical theories to explain their challenges. During our visit with devs, we found some common ethical problems, as data privacy, testing issue, communication gap, old code problem, open source resource. We discuss data privacy, how to protect users' personal data while still using data for company benefits. Testing issue, the QA code, the QA teams doing manual testing for using effective tools becomes a debugging problem. Communication gap, tips like making and development something, understanding misunderstanding each others as code problem. Developers often work on old code without proper documentation, which can be causes for concern. Open source rules. The company must follow rules when using open source tools to avoid legal issues. This is our main common problems with what we that we see in our business industry. What employees said about our interview. We finding five team members from different departments. We ask question our five team members in different departments. Developer says it's hard to maintain good quality when client demands change quickly. Q engineer wants to use automation, but can't because of debug and time. UI UX designer sometimes has to follow client choice even if they don't match best design practice. Marketing lead feels purpose to get more click even if the content is not always useful. Support staff and try to balance fast replies with being polite and helpful. From this interview, we found there are three main problems: choosing better speed and quality, choosing between speed and quality, lack of clean communication, and making decision without any fixed ethical rules. How we used ethics theories. We looked the we look at this problem using three ethics theories. Utilitarianism says we should do what doing the most benefit to most people. For example, using test automation help the long run, even if it's expensive at first. And then deontology focus on doing our duty and following rules. For example, following open source software rules. Virtual ethics talk about being a good person with good habits. For example, the team at Udevs helping each others for working honestly. Each the theory helps us understand the problem from a different angle. Now, additionally, we explain sharing on social media to share our learning with with others. We used to social media. What we did, share short video of our interview. Use uh, host host tagging. Uh, Ask people to come connect their opinions. Result: many people react or give their thoughts. Help others learn about this tech. Uh, Now with we main thing this interview we found three main problems: choosing between speed and quality, lack of clean communication, making decision without any fixed ethical rules. This stream paper done as part one of the main course specialized SPIC course. We visit a real software company called Oideps. Now we discuss here how we explain how spend our uh, visit in ODEPs and time spent on the work. Total our visiting duration time 6 hours. Sorry, 9 hours. We spent a total 9 hours in this project. Firstly, 2 hours to learn about ethics and preparation question. Uh, one of us on our took interview at ODEPs. Then 2 hours created and posted or connected on social media. Last 3 hours write and edit our team paper. This time we used to make sure understanding and explain this topic as well. As a conclusion, we say our busy depth helps to understand how real software companies face ethical problems. We see the most people try to what's right, but they do not the main right position. Always follow any set ethical rules. We if we use ethical thinking along with technical skills, we can make better choice and improve the software industry. As future professional, we must be honest, responsible, and careful our decision for the benefit of users, teams, and society. This is our presentation. Thank you for your attention. Assalamu alaikum.